Here are 5 pressure washing tips that every contractor should know. Tip number 1, pre-treat stains first. Don't just blast it. Tip number 2, when to use a surface cleaner. Use a surface cleaner on flat concrete only driveways, sidewalks, patios. Start at the highest point of the driveway and work downward. Tip number 3, rinse before chemicals dry. Drying chemicals can leave residue, streaks, or discoloration. Tip number 4, apply a post-treatment. This helps slow down future growth and keeps your concrete cleaner longer. Tip number 5, rinse the entire surface evenly with a ball valve or pressure washing fan tip to remove residue.